My name is Dr. John Ulrich. I'm the owner of California Sports Family Chiropractic in San Carlos, California. And welcome to Friday Night Recap. So what we want to do every Friday night is we're going to recap the events of the week that we've had in our office and go over some special cases that we had and some of the wonderful things that happen when we get patients under chiropractic care. The first one I want to talk to you about is a gentleman named Peter. He's an avid cyclist. He rides about 100 miles a week. And he's bent forward all day in that forward flex posture, and it's affected his breathing centers. He's got numbness and tingling in his hands. We put him under corrective care for his cervical spine. He's just finishing up treatment, and he came in this week and he said that a condition that he's had for 5 or 6 years, a numbness in the front part of his leg, has dissipated and is completely gone. So that was kind of an unexpected consequence. After all the treatment that he's had with his neck and cervical spine reconstruction, he's doing much better. All the numbness and tingling in his arms has resolved. He doesn't have the upper back pain and no more headaches. So for all you cyclists out there, maybe something to consider if you're developing a lot of upper back pain and neck pain, headaches, numbness in the hands. It could be because of that forward posture that you're constantly in, coupled with the fact that most people work on computers nowadays. Might be an important thing to get looked at. So if that's happening to you, give our office a call and we'd be happy to do an evaluation and look for that forward head posture condition. Another case that we had this week, 7-year-old. I'm not going to use his first name, but he came in for bedwetting. He's been having that problem for a number of years, since he's been born. He's unable to go to friends' house and have sleepovers and things without having it pull up, and he's getting to the age now where it's pretty embarrassing for him. So we put him under a course of chiropractic care. I've adjusted him 3 times. The bedwetting is still continuing and hasn't stopped yet, but the parents have said that his whole attitude has changed. He's having less problems in school. Learning problems have started to clear up. So there is some part of his brain-body connection that wasn't working properly, and when we started adjusting him, it opened those nerve channels back up and has helped him to regain a little bit more ability to focus. They were concerned with ADD and that type of thing, and that seemed to have really cleared up. We also got him off of sugar and some dairy, which I think is also a big help with that. So we'll expect him to have fewer colds this year as well. Third case that I wanted to discuss, Lori, 46 years old. She had severe forward head posture as well, so we put her under a treatment plan for forward head posture correction. She's completely finished with that now, and on her final scan we have a patient fill out a quality of life questionnaire, and we compare it to the first time they come in, because a lot of times patients will forget what they were feeling before they came in and got the treatment, because it can be 2 or 3 months worth of care and they can oftentimes forget what they came in on their initial complaints. So we had her fill out her quality of life questionnaire, and one of the things that she was most surprised was she has stopped losing her hair. She had alopecia really bad. She was losing her hair and it was becoming quite noticeable, and since she's been under chiropractic care, her hair has stopped falling out and now is growing back in thicker. No other parameters were changed except getting the cervical spine restored. So it has to have been a spinal cord injury that was being caused by the compression on her spinal cord through the neural tube. So those were some kind of neat cases. We did a lot of regular chiropractic this week as well, fixing a lot of back pain, neck pain, headaches. So if there's any of those type of problems that any of you are concerned with, we'd like you to give our office a call and come in for an evaluation. Thanks for listening to our Friday Night. California Sports and Family Chiropractic, because so much is riding on your spine.